I'm Moses Leo. I'm an actor. I'm here because I want to get in touch with international film creatives and enjoy the workshops and learn.
My name is Susana. I'm an actress. I'm from Barcelona. It's a speech about casting directors, international casting directors. So it's going to be a great experience to know how they cast.
Our experts today, Heike Makatsch. She's a German award-winning actress.
Ich heiße Hildegard Knef und ich möchte Schauspiel studieren an der Filmschule in Babelsberg.
I lived in London for over 7 years, and I had quite a good career in Germany before that. And I went to a lot of castings because I didn't have much to do while I was there, and I never really got the part. And it was quite an interesting experience because I got lots of parts in Germany.
A lot of it has to do with pure luck.
Here is $100 million for the poor of Sicily in the name of Vito Corleone. And spend it all in one place.
I don't know what a film acting school really is. I wouldn't trust that. Theater acting is where you begin and where you should be studying, I think.
Well, everybody has a different agenda why they want to work in the film business. And if for you it is because you want to tell stories that are true to your heart or that are really important to you, then don't make too many compromises.